Hi all, this is a APC UPS by Schneider Electric. 5 screws below, I taken them off, and the problem with it is working actually, but sometimes it is starting to beep and I have to reset it, and I'm not going to fix it. It's a very cheap one. By the way, this model is 375 watt or 6 VA. Okay, you know, different method to calculate, but the real RMS is 375 watt. There is a fuse. You should take it off, of course, before doing anything, because this way you disassemble the battery and you will not get electric shock. Anyway, I don't recommend to open any UPS if you are not skilled and all the things about electronics. This is high voltage, it can kill you. Okay, it can. So let's see what we have inside. So here are the connection to the outlet. There are additional 2 screws here that you can open, and here we have probably a transistor or MOSFET, I don't know. This is the main problem, usually the battery. I'm going to disconnect it. You have to pull it very strong. Usually there is, by the way, clips that you can press and it will go off easily, much more easy. Ha! Unbelievable. You hear? There is a noise, something in the battery is, I don't know. Probably this is the reason, although the battery seems to still work. Okay, so what we can see here is the main transformer. It acts as input and output, which means when wow, it's very hot, still hot, and I plugged it a long time ago from the outlet, about 1 hour. If you connect it in the regular way, it charges the battery, and then when there is a cutoff, it's act the opposite way. This way, this is the cheapest way of UPS method. There are also other ways. If you have isolated and another layer of isolation, but this is the cheapest. Okay, so what is going with the buzzer is usually this is the buzzer here. If you want to, not to use it, you can disconnect and you will not have any more noise problem. I'm looking. There is a LED also on the switch. There are 2 wires here, and I think there is a LED. There is also 30 amp fuse to here, probably in parallel, because it's 60 multiplied by 12. This is in a way when you have a short, so this totally disconnect the power source. So these are probably in parallel, I'm almost sure about it. And this is the fuse on the back. You see, it is connected, so you actually disconnect the positive. I think the positive. Let's see. No, you connect not positive, not negative. I'm not sure what you are connecting, but you are disconnecting power from the circuit here. And very simple circuit. Probably there is an IC on the back. Actually, I don't see it now. Let's see how to remove this out. It's not very simple. Okay, so definitely not very built for taking it apart. This is what I was looking for, to see a controller chip and a lot of other electronics that can protect you, because on the other side there are just few relays, and as you've seen, and by the way I open it just in order to remove this buzzer, and I will show you how to do it. Very simple. By the way, I had to close the switch to press it in order to take it apart without breaking all the parts here. Now I think it will be very easy to remove the buzzer. Yeah. So the buzzer is now here. Yeah, so this is the buzzer. And now we can close still hot. So now we can close everything back without breaking anything. So the same message, you just push it beneath this part, because it's very difficult to take it off the inlet power. So yeah. Yeah, you can push it like this. Take care to take all the wires, and then like this you can press on the PCB so it will go back to its place. When you hear all the clicks, so you are okay. Okay, so now you can connect all the wires back. Very simple. Just push it like this. And now just the battery power here. Don't forget the LED, the LED. Yeah, and now I can put another battery that I have. It is not yet connected. It's no big deal, because there is the fuse here. Let's put the power. Okay, now I will bring a lamp and test it. Okay, so this is 220 volt lamp, it's a LED lamp. Let's plug it. It's now in off position, let's turn it on. Okay, so it is working. Yeah, let's turn it off. By the way, it worked before, then the problem was with all the noises. So that's all, thank you and bye.